Hello, my name is Gaston. Thank you so much for taking the time to look at our inventory today. Today we're going to be talking about the 2022 27 5L Arctic Fox. Really nice unit, nice and small for the size. Makes it easy to get in and out of certain parking areas, and a lot of nice options with this particular unit. Right off the bat, one thing you're going to see right where your hitch is located is that you're going to have individual lights on both sides. So hooking up at night or in the mornings, anything like that, when it's dark, you're going to be able to really set it up to where you can see everything when you're getting connected, okay? A couple things you're going to notice with this particular unit as well is not only is it really nicely insulated, really nicely built, but it's also going to come with a 4-point automatic leveling system, okay? And as you walk to the side, a couple things that you should take note of is going to be that it comes with frameless windows, okay? On the awning is going to come with the AlumiGuard protector. Make sure to keep the, your awning out of the weather and things like that. So, Arctic Fox really specializes on making sure that they provide you with the best quality, product to make sure that, for inclement weathers, whether it be cold or hot, it sustains, the durability of the materials that they put on this particular unit. One of my favorite things as well that you're going to notice is that there is no hook for you to hook the door on. It has friction hinges to keep it from slamming closed when it gets too windy or anything like that, okay? Once you walk up to the entrance, one of the nice features is that it comes with the solid step, Northwood, ready, and it's going to come with 4 steps, nice and wide, so when you are getting in and out, you're not taking large steps, and you're going to have a nice handle that you can hold on to, so when you get ready to walk in, it's nice and easy and very easy to get into the unit. Let's go ahead and come inside. Right off the bat, one thing you're going to notice is that you come into a really, nicely open floor plan. You're going to have your theater seating right here with, reclining setup, okay? You're going to have a booth set up right here as well. This will turn into a bed, and you're also going to have a lot of storage right underneath, and it's also accessible from the outside. So really nicely thought out. Makes it nice and easy, so if you are driving, you need to get something out of your storage compartment, you can still access it without having to put the slide out, and you'll be able to get to it from the outside. Okay, once you walk to the back, one thing you're going to notice is that there's ample counter space, okay, with a large sink, residential sink, and nice faucet, so if you're ever gonna be cleaning your dishes and things like that, it makes it nice and easy to be able to get into different locations of your dishes, okay? One thing you'll notice back here as well is once you open this pantry, really nice pantry area right here. You can use it to store either condiments, or if you're taking an extended travel, you're gonna have a lot of nice storage. Makes it nice and easy, so you don't have to keep different drawers and things like that in the unit itself, okay? You'll also see that it has a lot of storage, a lot of cabinet space all throughout the unit, a lot of drawers, really nicely built, okay? You'll go ahead and notice that, they use nothing but the best material to build these, for durability. As you walk over here, you're gonna see that you have nice 3 open burner with a nice backsplash. Okay, this one's gonna come with a residential microwave that is also convection. So really nice unit, nice fit and finish. And once again, one thing that I like about Northwood and Arctic Fox is that they try to give you a nice smooth finish and a nice smooth transition throughout the whole unit. So what you're gonna see right here is this is your refrigerator, but if you don't look close enough, you may even miss it. So really nicely set up, nice and deep. Okay, and then you also have a nice large freezer as well. So once again, if you are going to be taking a nice trip, you're going to be gone for extended periods of time, you got a lot of space to be able to, do one grocery shopping and you're set for a while. Okay, you're going to have your TV entertainment setup. right directly in front of your theater system or seating. So they make it really nice and convenient, you know, easy to just, you know, maybe a long day after, you know, maybe out and, you know, hiking or, you know, whatever you're going to be doing when you're out camping. You know, it makes it nice so you can come back to the, you know, trailer and go ahead, you know, the coach, and go ahead and just relax. So you're going to have a fantastic fan that you can control by these buttons right up here. You're also going to have a fan that is going to help you either move the heat throughout the unit or the air conditioning when it's hot. Okay, so really nicely thought out. This particular unit is going to come with your digital thermometer, okay, throughout the unit, and then it's also going to be solar. Okay, another thing that Northwood does is they try to make room for everything that they possibly can. Every little area, it's all about storage to maximize the size, and once again, when you are traveling, to minimize the amount of times that you have to pull over, you know, to reload, or, you know, have to, you know, store things in different areas. So they're going to give you a nice little coat rack right here, or you could also use it as a key, you know, hanger as well. So one thing you're going to notice once you come right up these steps, nice solid steps, you're going to come to the landing. You're going to have your bathroom right here, and it's going to have a pass-through bathroom with a nice corner shower, you know, nice and tall for you to be able to get in and out, you know, and just, once again, just relax and, you know, enjoy your traveling. So one thing you'll notice is you have a nice sink, nice and deep, and a lot of counter space as well. And you're going to have a nice deep vanity or medicine cabinet right there. Okay, one thing that this, you know, unit makes it nice is that your slide out is going to have your closet. Okay, gives you more areas to store clothes, and you're going to have a nice walk through, you know, nice area to be able to get through your bedroom. And you have a really nice bed. One thing that I love about this particular manufacturer is that they use nice mattresses. Okay, it has a nice sit to it as well. Okay, nice queen mattress, nice comforter, and you're also going to have a skylight that you can also close if you decide you don't want that much light. Okay, another thing is you do have a fantastic fan right here as well. You can, you know, control it from the buttons right next to the bed right here, and then you're also going to have USB connectors, you know, lots of, you know, creature comforts to make it to where when you are camping you really feel like you're at home. So thank you so much for taking the time to look at this unit. If you have any questions on Northwood products or any products that we carry, please feel free to reach out to me. My name is Gaston. My cell phone number is 541-810-2202. Thank you.